People, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now today I'm going to talk about the Minister of National Security, who at the moment is Horace Chang. Now, Horace Chang is still fairly new to the job, but I want the Minister to understand something. He should not get comfortable in this position. In my opinion, this ministry is one of the hot seats. And if you're sitting in it, you have to realize that you are always on the clock. If Horace Chang don't start delivering some results within the next year to year and a half, then he must be removed as the Minister of National Security. The days when politicians could get comfortable in office and just sit around and do out their whole 5-year term in a ministry and then go and go sit down comfortable for the rest of their life and wait till them get back in power. Those days are over, especially for this particular ministry. And in my opinion, anybody who gets this job should get no more than 3 years to prove themselves. Maximum 3 years to prove themselves. And they must come with a short, a medium and a long-term plan to fight crime in Jamaica. The short-term plan is to reduce the crime rate, not by 80 to 90% in 1 year because that's unrealistic, but at least show us that crime is falling. Then the medium to long-term plan is how we will keep the crime rate low. If the Minister of National Security cannot do this, first cannot present this to us, and then back it up with results, then they have to be chopped and changed. If you look at something like football, look at your Real Madrid, your Barcelona, your Manchester United. These men, these coaches are in charge of football teams. And if they don't deliver a trophy in 2 years, 2.5 years, 3 years, they are sacked immediately. So why are politicians in Jamaica, why are ministers in Jamaica getting 5 years in office, and if they win the election again, they get another 5 years with no results, no trophies, no medals? Are you telling me a football coach is held to a higher standard than the Minister of National Security in Jamaica and the Minister of Education or the Minister of Health? Football teams demand more than we demand from our politicians. It's time we get serious. Horace Chang is in the hot seat right now. But whether it's him or whoever is coming next, no more than 3 years. If we don't see any serious results, you have to go. The days when you just ride out your whole term, those days have to be over, especially for this ministry. There are some ministries where you can do that. Right? Let's be honest here. There are some ministries that are more, critical than others. And the Minister of National Security is right up there with the most, I don't want to say important because they're all important, right? But this is the one that affects every single Jamaican on a day-to-day basis. Therefore, this is one where we cannot play around. I'm sorry. Horace Chang have a year and a half, the most. And if he can't deliver any results, he has to go. Just like his predecessor. Andrew Holness must start being ruthless with the people who are in his cabinet. Because even though I believe crime is a two-party issue, the fact of the matter is that doesn't mean nothing when lives are being lost on a day-to-day basis. If Andrew Holness wants to be taken seriously as a man who can solve or at least lower Jamaica's crime rate significantly, he must become more ruthless with whoever is in the Ministry of National Security. Remember, Andrew Holness ran his campaign. One of his campaign was how he'd make Jamaica safer. Right? We all saw how that turned out. That has not come to fruition so far. And his previous move to get rid of the old Minister of National Security is why I haven't really come for him as yet. Because if he'd kept the old minister, then he would have to go on the chopping board. But the fact that he was willing to change and bring in somebody new made me go, oh, okay, so you were serious. Because we know how politicians work when campaign are run. Peer promise, left, right, and center. So now that's him get rid of the old one, the Oberman nephew, and bring in Horace Chang. Horace Chang must now deliver some results within the next year and a half, or he has to go as well. Simple as that. There's no way football teams should hold their coaches to higher standards than politicians. And we the people must demand that these ministers not get these full 5-year terms, even though all 5 years was a disaster. That is what we've seen from Jamaica and Jamaican politics over the years, and it has to come to an end. Andrew Holness, if he wants to be taken serious as a leader who can sort out Jamaica's crime problem, he must be merciless with his ministers, especially the ones that are in charge of ministries like security. People, jump in the comment section. Tell me what you think. You agree, disagree. This is Politics Watch. Big up on yourself.